Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajke Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have completed conversion of rupees and paise. Now today we are going to see the addition of money. So open your textbook, page number 39. Look at the board here. How to do the addition of money, that we will see today. Here one example that given us 52.45 and rupees 105.65. See here, first of all what you have to do, write in the figures so that the dots are exactly one below the other. See, while writing the numbers you have to take care of that. Here while writing the numbers, here you have to take one care which that the dot should be one below the other. Okay, see here, write in the figure so that the dots are exactly one below the other. This is very important. Okay, while writing the number or while doing the addition or subtraction, that time the dots should be exactly one below the other. Here, see here, look at the board. First number is rupees 52.45. Then the other number is rupees 105.65, means 52 rupees 45 paise and 105 rupees 65 paise. Now we have to do the addition. Now if you will see the numbers here, see here, the dots are one below the other. The dots are one below the other. This is the correct way to arrange the numbers in this format, and then you have to do the addition. Now see here, 5 plus 5, always we should start from the ones place, and here from the right side to the dot. Here at ones place 5 is there, and in another number also at ones place 5 is there. 5 plus 5. See here, in the money always you should do the addition from the paise. These are the paise. After point, whatever numbers are there, that will be the paise, and before the dot, these are the rupees. Okay, so first of all you have to add the paise. Here 5 paise plus 5 paise. This 5 you have to keep in your mind, and this 5 you have to take on your fingers. Now what is there in your mind? 5 is there. So after 5 you have to count your 5 fingers. 5 plus 5, yes, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, now here 10 means we have to write here 0 and 1 will be carry. Next, now we move to the next place. Here 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, now 5 you have to keep in your mind, and the next number is 6. That number you have to take on your fingers. What is there in your mind? 5 is there. Now after 5 you have to count your 6 fingers. Okay, count your 6 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6, 11. So here we will write 1, and the 1 will be carried to the next place. But before that, see here, below the dots you have to give here also dot. In the answer also you have to give dot one below the other. Okay, now if you will see the dots here, all the dots are one below the other. This is very important. Okay, then you have to do the addition. Now here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5. Now 3 keep in your mind, and 5, show your 5 fingers. Okay, now what is there in your mind? 3. Now after 3 you have to count your 5 fingers. So count your 5 fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5, 8. So we have to write here 8. Okay, next we'll move to the next place. Now here 5 is there, and here 0 is there. So 5 plus 0, 5, and here only 1 is there, so this 1 will remain as it is. So what is the addition? Rupees 158.10, means rupees 158 and 10 paise. This will be your answer. So finally you have to write the answer, rupees 158.10. So in this way you have to do the addition. While doing the addition, what you will do? Just dots are exactly one below the other. This thing you have to keep in your mind. The dots should be one below the other, and then you have to do the addition. Okay. Now we'll move to the next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. So look at the board here. The first example, see, rupees 56.75, rupees 56.75 and rupees 74.35, and the question is add. We have to do the addition. Okay, read this number or read this money. What is the value? Rupees 56 and 75 paise, rupees 56 and 75 paise, and rupees 74 and 35 paise. Now we'll do the addition. Okay, start from the paise. See here, from the right side to the right side of the dot, these are the paise, and before the dot, whatever the numbers are there or whatever the amount is there, value is there, that will be the rupees. Okay, now start from the paise. Here 5 is there and here also 5 is there. So 5 paise plus 5 paise. 5 plus 5, yes, 10. So what we will do here, we will write 0 and 1 will be the carry. Okay, next. Now here 1 is there and here 7 is there. 1 plus 7, yes, 1 plus 7, 8. Okay, then 8 plus 3. So you have to keep 8 in your mind. You have to keep 8 in your mind, and then take out 3 fingers. Show your 3 fingers. In your mind, which number is there? 8 is there. So after 8, you have to count your 3 fingers. So count your 3 fingers after 8. 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3, 11. So what we will write here? 1, and 1 will be the carry to the next place. Okay. Now here, see here, dots are there. So you have to give dots. See, all the dots should be one below the other. All the dots should be one below the other. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 1 is there, here 6 is there. 1 plus 6, yes, 1 plus 6, 7. Okay. Now 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Now 7 you have to keep in your mind. Okay, 7 you have to keep in your mind. And now show your 4 fingers. After 7 you have to count your 4 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4, 11. So what we will write here? 1, and 1 will be the carry. Next, here 1 plus 5. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. Yes, 1 plus 5 plus 7. So first we will add these 2 numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. Now in 6 again we have to add 7. So 6 keep in your mind, and then show your 7 fingers. After 6 count your 7 fingers and tell me the answer. 6 plus 7, 13. Correct. So here you have to write 13. Here rupees symbol. So what is the answer? The answer is rupees 131.10, means rupees 131 and 10 paise. This will be your answer. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. Question number 2. Sorry, example number 2. See, read the numbers. Rupees 138.60 means rupees 138 and 60 paise, and the other value is rupees 52 and 75 paise. Now start from the paise. Here in the first number 0 and here 5 is there. So 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5. Because in the addition lesson we have seen one rule that if we add any number in the 0, we will get the answer 0 only. So 0 plus 5, 5. Now we'll move to the next place. Here 6 is there, here 7 is there. So 6 plus 7 you have to do. 6 keep in your mind, and 7 show your 7 fingers. After 6 you have to count your 7 fingers. So 6 plus 7, yes, tell me the answer. 6 plus 7, 13. Correct. So what we will write here? 3, and 1 will be the carry. Now here see students, here dots are there, points are there. So in the answer also you have to give dots. These three dots should be one below the other. Okay. Now we will add these three numbers, 1 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. So here we will write 1 and 1 as a carry. Okay. Next, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 5. After 4 count your 5 fingers. 4 plus 5, 9. Correct. So we will write here 9 and this 1 will remain as it is. And here also you have to give a symbol of rupees. Okay. So what is the addition? Answer rupees 191.35 means rupees 191 and 35 paise. Next example. See the third one, rupees 248.45 plus rupees 9.10. Start from the paise. Here 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. So write here 5. Then 4 plus 5, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So write here 5. Now here, see here dots are there. So what we will do? We will also give dot in the answer. Okay. See, so all the three dots should be one below the other. Next, 8 plus 9. Now 8, this is the first number 8 you have to keep in your mind, and 9, show your 9 fingers. After 8 you have to count your 9 fingers. 8 plus 9, yes, 17. So write here 7 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then 1 plus 4 will move to the next place. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. So write here 5 only. And the last here only 2 is there, and here nothing is there, means 2 plus 0, 2. So we'll write here 2 and we have to give a symbol of rupees also. So what is the answer? The answer is rupees 257 and 55 paise. This will be your answer. Next, fourth one. Rupees 75.25 plus rupees 89.90. See, before starting or before doing the addition also you can give a dot one below the other. You can give a dot one below the other, and then also you can solve the sums. Now here 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 9, 11. So we'll write here 1 and 1 as a carry. Now already we have given a dot one below the other in the answer also. Okay. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9. Yes, 6 plus 9, 6, keep in your mind, and 9, show your 9 fingers. After 6 you have to count your 9 fingers. So 6 plus 9, yes, 15. Correct. So what you will write here? 5 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Now here, see here 1 plus 7 plus 8. These three numbers we have to add now. Okay, first we will do the addition of these two numbers. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8. Now 8 you have to keep in your mind, and here also 8 is there. So again you have to show your 8 fingers. After 8 you have to count your 8 fingers. So 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16. So we will write here 16, and here we will give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? Rupees 165 and 15 paise. This will be your answer. Okay. Next, fifth number. Read the value. Rupees 62.55 plus rupees 179.70. Okay. Now here you have to give a plus sign. Okay. Now here first of all we will give a dot. Okay. See, one below the other you have to give a dot. Now here 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 5 you have to keep in your mind, and 7, show your 7 fingers. After 5 you have to count your 7 fingers. Yes, and tell me the answer. 5 plus 7, 12. So we'll write here 2 and 1 as a carry. Now here already we have given a dot, one below the other. So we'll move to the next place. Here 1 plus 2 plus 9 we have to do. Okay, so you have to do first 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, where is it is? 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, then 3 plus 9. After 3 you have to count your 9 fingers. So 3 plus 9, 12. Correct. So we'll write here 2 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, yes, 14. Correct. So what you will write here? 4 and 1 as a carry. Next, here 1 is there and here also 1 is there. So 1 plus 1, 2. So write here 2 and give a symbol of rupees. Okay. Now read the answer. Rupees 242 and 25 paise. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now see the next example, 6th number. See here, rupees 978 and 70 paise plus rupees 59 and 80 paise. Start from the paise. Before that we'll give a dot, one below the other. Yes, we will not forget. Okay, this is very important. This step is very important. You have to give a dot, one below the other in the answers also. Okay, so in the starting only we can give a dot and then we can solve the sums. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 7 plus 8. Now this 7, keep in your mind. 8, show your 8 fingers. After 7 count your 8 fingers. 7 plus 8, 15. Correct. So what you will write here? 5 and carry 1. Okay. Now here already we have given a dot, so no need to give again dot. Now here 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9. 1 plus 8, 9. This 9 keep in your mind, and this 9 you have to take on your fingers. So 9, after 9 you have to count your 9 fingers again. So 9 plus 9, 18. Correct. So what you will write here? 8 and 1 as a carry. Then next place, 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. Then 8 plus 5. 8 keep in your mind. After 8 you have to count your 5 fingers. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. Correct. So here we will write 3 and 1 as a carry. Now see the next place. 1 plus 9, where is it is? 1 plus 9, 10. Correct. So we'll write here 10. Don't give carry because here after 9 nothing is there. So we'll write directly 10 here and we will give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? Rupees 1038 and 50 paise. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, 7th number. Here, see, read this value. Rupees 79 and 85 paise and rupees 57 and 60 paise. Give a plus sign because we have to do the addition. Okay. The next step, we have to give a dot, one below the other. Don't forget. Okay, you have to give a dot, one below the other. Exactly one below the other you have to give a dot. Next, 5 plus 0, 5. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 8 is there, here 6 is there. 8 plus 6. Yes, 8 plus 6, 14. So what we will write here? 4 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Here now here 3 digits are there that we have to add. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7, 17. So what you will write here? 7 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Okay. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. Then 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, so we'll write here 13 and you have to give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? Read the answer. Rupees 137 and 45 paise. Or else you can read in this way also, rupees 137.45. Okay, clear how to do? Okay, now we'll move to the next example. Read this value. The first one is rupees 903 and 75 paise. Next, second value is rupees 452 and 85 paise. Now we will do the addition. Before that we will give a dot, one below the other. Then 5 plus 5. Always we should start from the paise, or else always we should start from the right side of the dot. Okay, here 5 is there and here also 5 is there. So 5 plus 5, 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So here we will write 6 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Correct. So write here 6. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 0 is there and here 5 is there. So 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5, 5. So write here 5. And the last one is remaining, that is hundreds place. Here 9 and here 4 is there. So 9 plus 4. After 9 you have to count your 4 fingers. So count your 4 fingers after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4, 13. So we will write here 13 and you have to give a symbol of rupees. So read the answer. What is the answer? Rupees 1356 and 60 paise. Okay, clear? Okay. Now see the ninth one. Rupees 832 and 80 paise plus rupees 456 and 25 paise. Okay. Now do the addition. Start from the paise. Okay, see here 0 plus 5 you have to do. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5, 5. Then 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. So here you have to write 0 and 1 as a carry. Now here dots are there. So you have to give a dot, one below the other. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. So write here 9. Then see the next place. Tens place, here 3 is there, here 5 is there. So 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. So write here 8. Okay. Now we'll move to the hundreds place. Here how many hundreds? 8. And here how many hundreds? 4. So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. Yes, after 8 count your 4 fingers. 8 plus 4, 12. Correct. So write here 12. And you have to give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? Read the answer. 1289 and 5 paise. Okay. Now see this 10th one. Read the value. Rupees 349 and 70 paise plus rupees 578 and 80 paise. Now start from the paise. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. Correct. So we'll write here 5 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then here dots are there. Okay. So you have to give a dot, one below the other. Then next 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, 10. Then 10 you have to keep in your mind and you have to show your 8 fingers. After 10 you have to count your 8 fingers. 10 plus 8, 18. So here we will write 8 and 1 as a carry. Then we'll move to the next place. Here 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Then this 5 you have to keep in your mind, and plus 7 means you have to take your 7 fingers. Show your 7 fingers. Which number is there in your mind? Yes, 5 is there. So after 5 you have to count your 7 fingers. So 5 plus 7, what will be the answer? 5 plus 7, 12. So here you will write 2 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Now we'll move to the hundreds place. Here 3 digits are there. 1 plus 3 plus 5. So first we will do the addition of these two numbers. 1 plus 3, 4, and in 4 again you have to add 5. 4 plus 5, 9. So here we'll write 9, and here again you have to give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? The answer is rupees 928 and 50 paise. Okay, now we'll move to the next, that is 11th number. Read the value rupees 419 and 30 paise plus rupees 532 and 75 paise. Now one below the other. First we will give a dot, then start from the paise. Here 0 is there and here 5 is there. So 0 plus 5, 5. Okay, now we'll move to the next place. Here 3 is there, here 7 is there. So after 3, count your 7 fingers. 3 plus 7, 10. So write here 0 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Now see here in 419 at 1's place 9 is there. So 1 plus 9, 10, and in 10 again you have to add 2 more. So 10 plus 2, 12. So write here 2 and 1 as a carry. Okay, now see these 3 digits. 1 plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So we'll write here 5. Next, here 4 is there and here 5 is there. So 4 plus 5, where is it? Is 4 plus 5. After 4 you have to count your 5 fingers. 4 plus 5, 9. So write here 9 and we'll give a symbol of rupees here. So read the answer. Yes, rupees 952 and 5 paise. Okay. Now see this next example. Rupees 356 and 75 paise plus rupees 572 and 55 paise. Start from the paise. Here 5 is there, here 5 is there. So 5 plus 5, 10. So write here 0 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5. After 8, count your 5 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write here 3 and give a carry to the next place. Now here dots are there. So in the answer also we will give a dot, one below the other. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So write here 9. Next place, here 5 is there and here 7 is there. So 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12. So write here 2 and 1 as a carry to the next place. Then 100 places remaining. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And then finally we have to give a symbol of rupees. So read the answer. What is the answer? Rupees 929.30. This is your answer. Okay. Now we'll move to the next page. Turn your page. Read the 13 number. Now here you have to do the addition of 3 numbers. Here you can see here 3 numbers are there. Okay, rupees 56.25 plus rupees 48.15 and rupees 9.40. Give a plus sign and start from the paise. Here 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So write here 0 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 4 again 8. So we'll write here 8. Now here dots are there. See here, these 3 dots are one below the other. So here in the answer also we have to give a dot. Then we'll move to the next place. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, yes, 14 plus 9, 23. So what you will write here? 3 and 2 as a carry. Then 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, yes, 7 plus 4, 11. So write here 11 and give a symbol of rupees. So what is the answer? Read the answer. Rupees 113.80. Okay, in this way you have to solve. Now we will take one more example, that is 14th number, and that remaining 2 examples you have to solve by your own. See the 14th number, rupees 32.45 plus rupees 29.60 plus rupees 15.75. Give a plus sign and start from the ones place here. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So write here 0 and give 1 carry to the next place. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So what you will write here? 8 and 1 as a carry. Now before we move to the next place, before that we will give a dot. See here, dots are there one below the other. So in the answer also we have to give a dot. Then see the next place, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So here we will write 7 and 1 as a carry. Then next place, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. And finally I have to give a symbol of rupees. So read the answer. What is the answer? Rupees 77.80. Okay, understood how to do the addition of money. So students, in this way today we have seen the addition of money. Now here in the question number A, there are 2 more sums that you have to solve by your own and try to solve the B question also. In the next session we will see the subtraction of money. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.